We found this puppy in very devastated state. He was full of ticks, his ears were covered with ticks, and he was very weak. We found him in a trash can. This was his condition when he arrived at the clinic, and then we started his treatment. And then we started his treatment. He was given all the medications he needed, and we tried our very best. Our staff stayed whole night up with him. He was in a very critical state when he arrived at the clinic, so we tried our best. And then next day the miracle happened. He started eating and he was very little scared now. And the very next day, the 2 days after the treatment, the miracle happened and he was enjoying his meal with us at the clinic.